What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video you're gonna learn how to enter, how to edit and how to customize the animations of layers into your Slider Revolution WordPress plugin into its latest version. But before we can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and like this video. After this, go to your WordPress dashboard. To access the dashboard, into your browser address bar, enter with your domain name plus WP admin and enter with your login credentials, okay, the user and password. Then you're gonna be able to see a page almost like this one. Not exactly, because according to the theme and plugins that you are using, it may change, but you always gonna have this left sidebar of menus. Scroll down and click on Slider Revolution, okay? Scroll down once again and hover your mouse over the slider that I would like to edit. In my case, it's gonna be this one, the home one. As soon as you hover, you're gonna be able to see this pencil icon. Click on it and wait while the slider loads. As you can see, while loading, the slider loads an animation, okay? You can review the animation. If you go to the upper left corner of your screen, there is Slider Revolution logo, settings, slides, timeline, and here on timeline you can see the animations, okay? Now imagine that you would like to change the button animation. We're gonna click onto the button, okay, and review the right sidebar of our menus, okay? Make sure you are clicking into this play tab and layers. We have here the animation and the duration of the animation. Here is the option, the duration, and right here you can customize the other ideas. And in the case that you want, you can customize every single part of it. You can add a new animation in the case that you want. And same can be done right here for the title, okay, for the heading. Animation from. Animation 2. Let me show you. Nice, right? You can change the duration of the animation. As you can see, it's set to stand for 1.5 seconds, but this can customize it as well. Let me go to another slider so I can share you with you more animations. Click into this star icon, for example. Go to the animation tab, and right here you're gonna be able to see more animations because this is a new slider, okay? A slider made into the new plugin version, not an important one. And you can see there is some fancy animations that you can play with, okay? You can slide from the sizes in the case that you want. And to review, all you have to do is hit the play button. Let me increase the animation duration. Let's try it out again. And here's the result. We can apply some zoom. After doing the change in the way that you want, remember to hit the save button, this diskette icon into the upper right corner of your screen. And you are good to go. Nice, right? And it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!